Work up a good sweat, and so I think as the sweat is dripping, it melts or freezes. Better? Okay.
You want to push? Oh, okay. Smart.
No! Brian, your brother's going it. What do you want, honey? How about you wait till they're... James, you wait a minute, honey. They're not.
Nice knowing ya.
Oh, nice job, Ryan. Ready, James? Give me your push. One more, Ryan. One more big push. No. Oh, no, okay, Ryan. Woo! Up.
Oh, second right.
Wipe out. And then he always ends.
It'll be okay.
Yep, you can go. Do you want me to push you?
No.
There you go.
Woo. That's quick. All right, there you go. All right.
See, those sauces are great.
Yeah, they're quick.
Oh, lost the move.
Here. James, move over.
James, all the way, buddy.
Ready?
Okay, whenever you're ready. Heads up. Lean into her a little bit. There you go.
Almost there. Oh, almost there. Then I'll pick you up. Almost where I can pick you up. Okay. Oh.
So this will be your first attempt, so I suggest kind of keeping your center of gravity really low.
Be careful.
Yeah, sort of get balled up. Just keep your center of gravity low. That's okay. Keep steering it. Get a feel for it. Can you go the other direction? Right foot first?
I'll try. That's for lefties, though.
Well, try it though. Just see.
I'm not good at that.
Okay.
Do I go down?
Here, hold on. I want to tape you. Okay, you go ahead. Do you want to sit your butt in the middle? Put your butt towards the middle.
I'm a little scared then.
That's all right. Okay, you ready to go like that? Just lean forward, don't lean back. Going to push ya?
No.
Okay, you're fearless. It was nice knowing you.
Come on, can you come back?
Pretty good. I'll get you two.
Ready?
Yeah.
That looks stupid. Is it good? Is my hair all messed up again? Snowboarding. Oh, you got it? Hey, Mom, you want to use this to get down? No.
No, let's go upstairs.
Carrie.
Ready, Ryan? You want to go down with Daddy? Yeah.
Which one can I go on?
A little bit more surface area to slow you down. All right, come on, Dylan. Going to the pyro again, Ryan.